Ciao! Did you ever try cappelletti? This is one of the traditional types of ravioli and super delicious. I show you a green version with kale. Make a hole with your fingers and crack in the egg. Now mix the egg together with the kale paste and start slowly to mix in more and more flour from the outside. Add the olive oil and knead the dough until it's smooth. The kale paste is really easy to make. Just blanch a package of fresh kale leaves and blend it. Let it cool down before you use it for the dough. Cover it with the bowl and let it rest for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, we make the filling. Grate the fresh Parmesan and Pecorino, then cut the prosciutto in little pieces. Put everything in a bowl and spice it with nutmeg, pepper, salt, and fresh thyme and oregano. Fill the mixture in a piping bag. Now take a piece of the dough and roll it out thinly. I use this pasta machine, which is in my opinion very easy to use. You can find a link in the description. I let the dough several times through the machine and each time I use a slightly thinner grate. The final thickness of the dough depends a little bit on your taste. I prefer very thin. Cut circles with the ravioli cutter and place a little bit of the filling on it. Form the ravioli like I do it in the video. This needs some practice, but you will become better with each try. If you not cook the cappelletti immediately, you could store them in the fridge for up to 2 days. But let's cook the ravioli now. I show you how I like it. Put butter in the pan and add some fresh oregano and thyme. Boil water in a pot and add salt. Place the cappelletti gently in the water and wait until they start to float. At this point, wait another minute before you take them out. When the cappelletti are done, place them directly to the butter mixture and serve them. Buon appetito!